What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a variant of the GPT, Generative Pretrained Transformer, language model developed by OpenAI for generating human-like text in chatbot conversations. It was trained on a large dataset of real-life conversations, which allows it to generate text that is natural and coherent in a conversational context. ChatGPT is a new chatbot that has been designed to mimic human conversation. The bot is based on the GPT-2 model, which is a large transformer-based language model that was trained on a large amount of text data. The chatbot has been designed to chat about any topic and can even generate its own responses to questions. So far, the chatbot has been shown to be quite successful at imitating human conversation. From solving basic mathematical problems to helping with tasks such as customer service, ChatGPT can handle it all.